Hi everyone, so today is my first day of my sophomore year of college. I am getting ready right now. So because I'm actually getting ready to go and I don't want to be late to class, I'm not going to be talking through this video. Maybe here or there I'll say something, but I haven't planned it out yet, but I thought why not film it and we'll just see what happens. I have no clue what look I'm going for. I do have the Jaclyn Hill Vault palette, or Vault. There are multiple palettes in here, I think there's 4 of them. I might use these. If you guys want to see a full face, or not full face, if you guys want to see a first impressions, like a full on like first impressions, I'll use, if I do use this, I'll use a palette that I didn't use. But yeah, we'll see. If not, I have another palette here that I can use. So yeah, so I don't want to be late, so let's get started. Oh, and remember to subscribe to my channel and to ring the notification bell, that way you guys get notifications when I post future videos. Sorry if I'm like, it's really early in the morning and I legit just woke up, so I'm so tired. Oh, follow me on social media. I have all my social media links up here, and I always have the links down below. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more back to school videos, what's in my backpack, like school bag, I don't know what kind of videos you guys want to see. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna put my hair up. I'm really excited for school. And it's really hot, that's why I'm wearing a tank top. Normally I would not wear a tank top to school, but it's really hot outside, so yeah, let's get started. Oh, I don't have an eye primer. So I'm gonna start by priming my lids with my primer. I decided I'm gonna do a full video dedicated to the Jaclyn Hill Wall palette. That'll be coming up probably next. But today I'm gonna be using my Sweet Peach palette. One of my best friends gave this to me for my 18th birthday, and I've been obsessed with it ever since. So, thank you, Anna. I'm gonna use this today. Okay, so lipstick is practically set. I'm just gonna put the lip balm on, but I just want to show you how like lock-proof this is. Doesn't come off, and I rarely feel it on my lips. This is a clear balm. Still clear. This will stay on through everything. This is also the shade Constant Cocoa. I love this stuff. I don't know why people don't talk about this. These lipsticks are incredible. This is the Maybelline Super Stay 24 color. It's like a 24-hour lipstick, basically. This will stay on through eating, through drinking, through everything. So, yeah. What do you guys think? This is what I'm gonna be wearing to my first day of my sophomore year of college. I kind of wanted to up it a little bit, like be a little bit extra just today. Tomorrow I'll be back to looking like a bum practically. But today I was like, why not, you know? So yeah, so what do you guys think? Remember to give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel to ring the notification bell. That way you guys get notifications when I post future videos. Comment down below what future videos you guys want to see me make. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and so follow me on social media again. I'll put all the handles up here and I'll put the links down below as always. My shirt is from Madewell. My necklace is from Madewell. I'm wearing shorts from American Eagle that are white. And I'm wearing white Converse. So. And I'm wearing my bag that I actually got in my FabFitFun that I showed in my last video. That's gonna be my bag for the year, so, or for right now. I might change it up, but we'll see. So yeah, if you guys wanna see more back to school videos, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.